If you always wish you could have just a little more screen space on your laptop, the new Duo 14 might be the answer, especially for Adobe Power users. What I like most about the Zenbook Duo 14 is that you really can't tell from the outside what you'll see when you lift the lid. Asus is known for its Zenbook laptops with second screens. The Duo 14 offers hardware and software improvements over the previous model. For 36 years, the basic form factor of a laptop has remained the same: screen, keyboard, and trackpad, until Asus decided to change that. The Zenbook Duo UX482 sports a 14-inch Pantone Validate IPS LCD display with stylus and touch support, along with another 12.65-inch Full HD secondary panel, which also supports stylus and touch. It is the second screen that makes the Zenbook Duo so unique. Inside you can get an option of either a Core i5 or Core i7 from the Tiger Lake G7 series, which is meant for ultrabooks. You can either live with the integrated Iris Intel Xe graphic or opt for a discrete NVIDIA GTX MX450 GPU. Apart from that, you can choose either a 8GB or 16GB LPDDR4X memory variant with max capacity of 32GB. There are multiple storage options, including 3.0 NVMe storage up to 1 TB. The 12.65-inch second screen earlier was laid flat on the chassis, which led to difficulty reaching the top end with your finger. This time around, Asus borrowed the Zephyrus Duo's raised ergolift hinge design to get around it, and in the process improved the cooling with active airflow as well as the audio quality from the bottom firing speakers. But I must warn you, there will be a tethering issue when you start using the laptop. The keyboard is placed at the bottom edge of the chassis. The trackpad is much smaller and is shifted to the extreme right. As for the primary 14-inch display, it is gorgeous, Pantone certified, which means the display is color accurate and it's enough for video and photo editing. It's having one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port, a 3.5mm audio jack, and one full-size HDMI 1.4 port. There is also a microSD card reader. It's having 11th generation Intel Core i7. The NVIDIA MX450 GPU isn't meant for gaming. The laptop falls somewhere between a mainstream business laptop and an entry-level gaming laptop. The Zenbook Duo UX482 features bottom firing speaker tuned by Harman Kardon. Let's just say the audio output is loud. Finally, I can say the underlying hardware will be replaced by many in next few months, but the feat of engineering which Asus achieved with this Zenbook Duo will be hard to beat.